Hey friends, if you wish to undo or reset, always use this app to open files option in Windows 11. Then please watch this video so you can undo it. Like, let's say that we had this file and I right clicked on it and selected open with, and let's say I picked up a specific app. I said Apple Music, so it will open with Apple Music. And if you don't want that to happen, if you wanted to open with another app, simply go to settings, go to apps, go to default apps, and then we can go to another app. Let's say for the sake of this example, we will pick VLC. Click on VLC and check whichever file type is not associated with it. Click on that one, select VLC, and then select default. Okay, this is just an example. I mean, this is how you can choose any app as a default app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.